Casey. Here's your little 347. Just got done running. Give a description of its combination. It's got our heads. Got the new Holley manifold on it. Obviously, fuel system management by Holley. It's got the front runner system on the front. Beautiful. Hydraulic roller cam, custom crown. It's got the rear sump oil pan. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,500, 387 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque looks like 398, real flat in there. Peak horsepower 417, rated 425, front end's 15, so everything's good. Get it off there in a crate, come your way, have a great day.